What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back with another video, and today we got the Air Jordan 12 Indigos. Me personally, I love 12s. Even though they are slick, uncomfortable, I still always love to cop a pair of these joints, and I heard that these Indigos do rub off, man. So whenever I do get my pair in hand, I will be trying to rub them off and see what we get under that first coat of painting on the Air Jordan 12 Indigos. I put in multiple raffles on Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Foot Action, took an L on all of them joints. Let me know down below in the comment section if it's just me or lately has it been like damn near impossible to hit on anything under the Flex program, man. It's very difficult. Even copping online manually for a general release, which these was no hype behind it. These weren't limited at all. But even some of the past GRs we have gotten, they sell out. They're super hard to get online, and it's just getting out of hand, man, if you ask me. I'll put in Raffles at Shoe Palace. Didn't hit on any of them joints as well, but shouts out to the bro, man. He plugged me in on a pair, man, so shouts out to you, bro. Whenever it gets here, guys, you will see a review and on feed. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, read notification bell for your boy. Try to give you guys these videos recapping every single release so we can chop it up and see how the day went, man. I know I got a couple of resellers out there. I got some up and coming sneakerheads that want to copy, you know what I'm saying, some of these releases we have been seeing over the past couple months and kind of share our experiences around the release, man. And for me, I took an L everywhere, but shouts out to my homie, man. He plugged me in on the pair. So like I said, you guys will see an unboxing very soon. Something that did come to light throughout this whole process of me trying to get a pair today was that we need to get the Air Jordan 12 taxis to come out again. It's been rumored for the past couple years that we will get another Air Jordan 12 taxi. They haven't released since 2013 or 2014, I forget. I think it was 2013, around like Christmas time. And when they released, I didn't have any money for this release. I actually got this pair with a trade. I think I traded my Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues for these Air Jordan 12 taxis. But with me getting this pair right here, man, they are super beat up. I wore them a couple of times, and I just feel like once I wear them, once I get a good wear out of them, that they will tear apart, man. I don't want that to happen. I need a brand new DS pair added to the collection. I know it's a whole bunch of you guys out there like, bro, why do you need another pair of taxis? And it's just because I want a super crispy pair to keep on ice for a couple of years, man. I had this pair for a couple of years. I don't think I had a good 2-3 wears out of it, just because I don't want to mess this shoe up, man. I really love the Air Jordan 12 taxis. We've been getting a whole bunch of 12s in my little time frame of me collecting to retro, like the Air Jordan 12 flu games right here. I actually got these back in 2011 or 12 when they had the suede pair. They had the little sick emoji over here, and they had the suede all over these joints. But I got these back in 2015 or 2016, I forget. But this shoe right here was super hard to get on that release date, and just feel like every single Air Jordan 12 we have gotten, people really love the 12 model, man. But if it's just me, let me know down below in the comment section if these joints are super uncomfortable. I went from a size 8.5, I went to a size 9, and even a size 9.5 to see which one fits best for my foot, and every single one of these joints are uncomfortable to me. I even tried to hoop in a pair, and after I wore a pair of 12s to hoop in, my toe was literally bleeding when I was wearing a pair of Air Jordan 12s, man. So that would never happen again. I loose lace them, I didn't lace them up, but every single time they never fails to be uncomfortable to me. So let me know down below in the comment section if that's just me. But back to these Air Jordan 12 Indigos, you guys let me know right now in the comment section if you were able to hit on these joints. I know it's a whole bunch of people that was on live streams and stuff like that trying to cop a pair manually, but just like yesterday, the Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange, they just, it's hard to get online. It's hard to hit on a pair manually, man. The talk of the time is bots, is bot nation, is bot everything nowadays. The botters are winning, and people are kind of getting tired of it, man. And I kind of feel like the bots are taking over the whole Flex program as well, because it's been every single release for the past 3-4 months that I haven't hit on literally anything. It's crazy. I haven't hit on Hibbits, I haven't hit on Finish Line, none of that good stuff, and I'm kind of getting tired of it, man. So you guys let me know if you ever hit on any of those Flex apps, if you were able to hit online. Let me know something down below. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, ring that notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, live stream, live cop, anything that happens on the channel. You guys will get notified by hitting that notification bell. Smash the like button if you guys love these release recaps. We talk about some stuff. We go pick up sneakers sometime when your boy get a W at Shoe Palace or Foot Locker or stuff like that. But lately, it has been very, very difficult to hit on any raffle, any flex program. It's just getting crazy, man. And head over to Instagram. Give your boy a follow at DaVintage World. Link down below in the description box, man. So let's get straight back into these Air Jordan 12 Indigos. So yeah, guys, these Air Jordan 12 Indigos retail for 190 bucks. I had to get my homie retail and shipping the cities over, so I did get them for retail. And right now, the resale was not looking too great on these Air Jordan 12 Indigos. I feel like that happens with almost every single one of these GRs. They're like in the 300s like a week before release, then on release date they get down like 230, 240, and then like a year later you see the price go up. It's just standard. That's just what happens with pretty much every single release. So you guys should already know how that goes, man. And these also released in big kids on the Nike SNKRS app, man. So, you know what I'm saying, I really like how they look. I did hear that the paint rubs off on these Air Jordan 12s. And if you see the official images for the big sizes, like the men's sizes, you see like a shinier paint. But when you go down to the big kid pair of these Air Jordan 12s, I feel like that's what we will get once we rub off that shiny paint off of the men's pair. So you guys let me know what you think about that. If you think it's something totally different under that Air Jordan 12 Indigo paint that's already on the upper. We have gotten a couple of 12s, you know what I'm saying, that had the paint rub off. We had the Air Jordan 12 wings, and we had the Air Jordan 12 Chinese New Year's, where you actually had to tear off the nylon material on the top of those Air Jordan 12s. I really like them. I seen a couple of dope customs with the wings. I seen a couple of dope customs with those Chinese New Year's as well. Making a Nike swoosh on the side and just exposing some parts of the sneaker I really like, man. And that's a pair I really want to go back and get in the collection, the Air Jordan 12 wings. But right now, you guys already know the prices on them joints is super crazy, and it's something I'm not willing to spend that much money on right now, man. So many other releases that are coming out this year that I would rather go get, and I'll be making a video very soon talking about some of the sneaker releases I will be going after, man. But yeah, we just got the Air Jordan 12 University Golds, aka the Gary Paytons. But something, like I said, we talked about earlier in the video, is the Air Jordan 12 taxis, man. I really want this pair to retro. You guys let me know down below in the comment section if you feel the same way. We haven't gotten this pair in what, 4, 5, 6 years, I believe, and it's just time to get a pair. And we keep getting these rumors saying that they're coming out, man. Like I said, whenever I do get these Air Jordan 12 Indigos, of course you guys will see an unboxing, a review, and on feed. So have that notification bell on right now for your boy DaVintage. A question I have for the Vintage Squad, man: do you think these Air Jordan 12 Indigos will go up? Do you think we will see a lot of restocks on these joints? Because within this last week, we have been getting a lot of restocks on those Air Jordan 5 Bel Air 2.0s. So you guys let me know in the comment section below if you feel the same thing will happen with these Air Jordan 12 Indigos. Let me know if you cop down below in the comment section if you haven't already. I'm very interested in knowing. Everything has been selling out, and I want to see some W's down below in the comment section to see who all on the Vintage Squad hit on a pair of these joints. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, live stream, live cop, anything that happens on the channel. You guys will get notified by hitting that notification bell. Smash the like button. That really helps the channel grow. So please right now, smash the like button for your boy DaVintage, man. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at DaVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, of course. And with all that being said, I hope you guys had a good, successful day over these Air Jordan 12 Indigos. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.